Advanced Filtering Summit 3.0. Now looking at our device list here, we have a number of devices and we're going to teach you how to better sort and view this information. As you can see right now, my current viewpoint is having the serial number, our relative last check-in, IP address, last check-in, and a device ID. Now over here on the right-hand side, we have a little drop-down menu which will allow you to change the way that you view those devices within your summit. Now this is our grid view, which just lays out the devices in a more grid format, maybe a little bit more visually appealing, but you're welcome to use the list view. On the right-hand side right here within our viewpoint, we have various views that are available to you that will help you be able to see the things that you want to see. In this case, we only had a few checkboxes. All of these are movable to make your list, again, more appealing to you. You can have the serial number viewable, you can have the location, you can have device ID, and if all you want to see is just a few of these items, they are all fully adjustable and removable, and you can move them around as any way that you seem necessary. As you can see here, if at any point you don't like the way this works out, you can always hit that nice little undo button right there on the bottom right-hand corner, which will set it back to the first view that you had. To view more devices per page, you will just come here to the middle of the screen up at the top and adjust the amount of devices you want to show per page. Searching for devices. Here we can go through and really fine tune the list. As we are typing, it is going to filter out those items that are not here. And in this case, we only wanted one serial number, and there it is. You can also search by device ID, so having a unique identifier in this field makes it really easy to find the device in question. Advanced sorting. Here we have a list of a few items that we can sort our devices. We can go by device ID, IP address. We can also go all the way to the last time it checked in, the location, all these various methods right here that will allow you to search and sort those devices on your list. You're also able to go through and do a sort by network type, which will allow you to sort by your 2Gs, your 3Gs, 4Gs, and 5Gs. You're also able to go through and sort by last check-in time frame. The intervals is listed. We have 0 to 2 hours, all the way up to 7+ days. And as you can see, as we're filtering down through here, you're noticing an error message that is popping up. That's just because in this case, there were no 5Gs that have checked in within the past 0 to 2 hours for this particular account. If at any point you do need to reset your view, you can just hit that reset button and it'll set it back to normal. We're going to be exporting to CSV. This is a really nice feature that Summit 3.0 has. In the past, Summit has only been able to export the entire portfolio. Within Summit 3.0, you are now able to export just the devices that you want, that you see on your page. As you saw here, we wanted to export the 5G devices only, and we selected them and hit export to CSV, and it gave us a nice little readout of the devices that are 5G and all the statistics that are pertinent to them. Kind of keep in mind that CSV does do weird things with the Milo and Neo serial numbers that are longer than just a few digits, especially while in Excel. But if you use it in a text editor, you shouldn't have any issues.